Ma, good morning to one and all. Students, kindly fill the participation link, ma. Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. Welcome to the session, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, good morning. Welcome to the session, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shall we start within 10 minutes, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
Participation link, ma.
A very warm good morning to one and all present here. I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all with great joy and immense exultation for an introduction to artificial intelligence online guest lecture program. Everything in your life is dictated by you. Be who you want to be. Think positive thoughts and great things will happen to you. Now I call upon P. Saranya of 3rd BCAB to invoke our Almighty by the prayer song.
Good morning to one and all.
Good morning, Saranya.
మంగళరూపిణి మదియని సోలిని మన్మద పానియలే சங்கடம் நீக்கிட சடுதியில் வந்திடும் சங்கரி சௌந்தரியே கங்கன பாணியன் கனிமுகம் கண்டனல் கற்பக காமினியே जय जय शंकरि गौरी कृपाकरि दुःख निवारणि कामाक्षी जय जय शंकरि गौरी कृपाकरि दुःख निवारणि कामाक्षी. Thank you.
Thank you, Saranya. We feel blessed by your chanting. I welcome change as it is an opportunity to grow and learn. Now I would like to request Mrs. M. Hemlata, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to one and all present here.
Good morning,
It's
ma'am.
a pleasure to start this auspicious occasion by heartily welcoming everybody. On behalf of the Department of Computer Applications, Pioneer College of Arts and Science, I extend a warm welcome to our chief guest and all of you present here for this guest lecturer in an introduction to artificial intelligence. I heartily welcome our honorable chief guest, Dr.T.Logeswari, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Computer Science, New Horizons College, Bangalore. In her busiest schedule, she has participated in this guest lecture. Thank you, ma'am. She had 18 years of teaching experience in the field of college. She had completed her UG in Bardiyar University, PG and MPhil in Alagappa University. She done her PhD in Mother Teresa University, and she got specialization in the area of image processing, data mining and data warehousing. She took her responsibilities as a HOD and NAC steering committee coordinator, and also NAC 4th criteria coordinator and internal and external auditor. She also published more than 15 international and national journals and presented 12 papers in seminars and conferences. She published a book named Classified based on software computing techniques for the detection of brain tumor. She attended 7 national and international seminars and workshops. She is also an advisory member of IEEE International Conference on Green Computing, Communications and Electrical Electronic Engineering 2014. She got appointed as an editorial member of International Journals of Soft Computing and Engineering. She got awarded an honor by Rs 53,000 from UGC Travers Grand Commission's conference attended in Singapore. She invited as a session chair for the international and national conferences communication software and networks held in Singapore on 26 to 28 February 2010. She is an associate coordinator for the organizing various events like guest lecturers, workshops, and seminars. I take this opportunity to thank our ma'am to participate in this guest lecture. I take this opportunity to thank our secretary ma'am for giving us permission to conduct this guest lecture. And I welcome our beloved principal sir, honorable vice principal sir, and also I extended my warm welcome to all of the HODs from various teaching and non-teaching friends. Once again, I welcome you best yet to come.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful addressing. If your action inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a great leader. I deem it a great privilege to welcome our chief guest, Dr.T.Logeswari ma'am, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Computer Application, New Horizon College, Bangalore, to this function. We are awfully delighted that you are here, ma'am. I request our esteemed chief guest to start their session.
Check the data, able to see on screen. Thank you, Hemalada, for the brief introduction about me. And thank you, Sharanya. It's really happy to hear the song. It's really wonderful. Uh, Already, Hemlata ma'am has given the brief introduction about me. So, again, I'm going to repeat the same thing. Myself, Lokeshwari, Associate Professor and HOD, Department of Computer Science, New Horizon College, Bengaluru. Today, I'm going to discuss about Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Always, my session will begin with one quote. An investment in knowledge pay the best interest. If you read lot of books, 100% I'm telling you that you will gain few knowledge in that particular book. That knowledge will remain you ever. Yes or no? So the same thing, please guys, always you just have a habit of reading the books. So my first question to all the students of Pioneer Arts and Science College, why do you choose computer science or IT, information technology? Anybody can answer this? Why do you choose computer science or IT? Why make them to choose this particular course? Anyone? Anyone from your side? Why have taken that computer science? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Dear students, please kindly interact. Then only the session will be very helpful for you. You can remember few points. Just tell me why you have chosen computer science. Is that anything is there to choose the computer science or information technology? Okay, fine. Two options I will give you. One is to survive or another one is to succeed in your life. Now you tell me which one you want. I have given two options for you. You just tell me which options you want. You want to survive or you want to succeed in your life. Now I have given the options. It is easy to pick either one or two. Students.
Great futures, ma'am.
To succeed in your life, right? That is what you have chosen your computer science or information technology. Very good. Because if you want to survey in the sense, before the exam you can study and you can clear the paper and you can get a degree certificate. It's not a worth. Because you didn't get any knowledge from that particular thing. Only before one night what you will study and what you will gain and what you have written, nothing. But if you want to succeed in your life, 100% I'm telling you guys, you should have hard working. See, I'm not saying that every day you should sit and study with the book. No, whatever concept you are studying, please clearly you should study that particular concept. That is the main thing, because it's when you people having library, but I don't know how many members are using the library. You are having some internet facilities. How many members are using that facilities? Because if they are giving some free time, what people will do? Always we are taking mobile and taking some other things. Why can't you search for your particular which subject you want? So many videos are available. It's not a older one. We don't have anything. Now everything is available. If anything, see, you can go and refer the books or you can refer the website. You can get so many ideas. See, then only you can able to sustain in their life. Or else 100% if you're coming and going, nobody will help you. You should train by yourself with the help of teachers and resources from your colleges. Then only you become a successful person in your life. Okay, fine. Now, today, let us understand why we should study artificial intelligence. Anybody know this personality name? Anyone? Who is that? Any idea? Any idea? The first one, who is that?
Ma'am, Elon Musk.
Very good, very good. So Elon Musk, what is that? Why we are talking about Elon Musk? What he did? What is that? Why we are, if Elon Musk, you know that what he did? Tell me. He is become the space station. He is having our own space station. You know that he is telling that AI is the threat to humanity. Who is the second one? Who is the second one?
Mark
Very good. Mark Zuckerberg. He is the CEO of Facebook, right? He is telling that it is the future of humanity. So all the personality, famous personality, they are talking about artificial intelligence. Why not we? So that is what today I have taken the topic as artificial intelligence, right? Once my session is over, you people will know that what is the importance of AI, what is AI, what is the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, and what are the basis of machine learning. So once my session is over, you should be aware of this particular concept. 100% I'm assured of that. Okay, fine. Now, why artificial intelligence? See, AI, artificial intelligence is everywhere. So, we will see the application of artificial intelligence in various sectors. For example, banking and finance, medical science, heavy industries, air transport, and gaming. So, these are all the sectors we will see one by one. First, banking and finance. Why we are using in banking? Because every day, huge amount of data has been transferred from one to another place. A huge amount of calculation has to be taken place. So the employee, they can make some error in that. So to overcome that, we are using this artificial intelligence in the banking sector. If you talk about medical science, it is a computer technique to assist that particular, what are all the things are there to diagnosis and suggest some treatments. For example, if you see that virtual doctor consultation, it's like an app. You can able to, if you're having 100-degree temperature, you want to get a thing, but now this is COVID pandemic situation, you can't able to go out, yes or no? Then what you should do? You should open that app, you just register that. When you are giving your name, your age, what are all the problems you are having, then 100% from there and they will give the drugs or medicines for you. So now that particular virtual consultation also happening in this with the help of artificial intelligence. The next one, we are talking about heavy industries. Heavy industries in the sense, now we are see that a lot of goods industries for metal, aluminum, that and all, we have to take from one to another in the sense the goods transfer and all, it will be very difficult for the human being to handle. So here all this particular industries, we are using this artificial intelligence concept. The next important one field will be air transport. See, in air transport, the main features of artificial intelligence is to book a ticket, or all the operations happen in that will be artificial intelligence, and how the journey of that flight. So everything will be simulated and you can able to enjoy your traveling with this particular app with the help of AI. Because in order to predict the weather of that also you can able to do that. The next important concept will be gaming. So gaming, nowadays students, you know that you are playing with mobile phone, even though computer, even though TV. So everywhere you are using that. What is the game you are playing nowadays? Counter-Strike, FIFA, even though PUBG, all these things comes under artificial intelligence. So now if you see this in this particular 2016 onwards, that artificial intelligence slightly it will grow. Now in this 2050 to 2080, or everywhere in this artificial intelligence in the sense 100% we are going to reinvent the world. So once the machine will tie up with the human being, then there is no up or down. Lower class people are upper, down class people. No, nothing will be there. All are equal. So we are using artificial intelligence. Now we will see what is artificial intelligence definition. It is a field of computer science that emphasizes on the creation of intelligent machine which can work and react like human. Again, I'm rechanging that frame. See, it is a field to create a machine which can work and react like human. These are all few examples. See, Google Assistant, Siri, these are all some examples. Siri, what is the time now? What is the distance from Coimbatore to Bangalore? It will take fraction of second. Yes or no, guys? The next one, what is that? The next one, what is that? Anybody knows that what is the second picture? Anyone?
AI humanoid robot.
What is that?
AI humanoid robot.
Yes, AI humanoid woman's robot, the name Sophia. So this is the first woman robot. Here, she will speak like a human being. So she is having all emotions, feelings, everything. So this is the first woman robot. See, if she is coming and talking, we can't able to differentiate between this is a human robot. No. Like that, everything, all the programming has been done with the help of artificial intelligence. Second one will be automatic car, that is Tesla. So this is the first automatic car. We don't want any external support. We don't want any driver. It will automatically drive by itself. That is the thing. The last one will be drone. What is that? Why we are using this? It is used for the navigation purpose. So these are all the examples of artificial intelligence. So now you know that the main thing, it is used to creation of machine which can work and react like humans. So now what is intelligence? Intelligence can be defined as one's capacity for understanding, one's capacity for self-awareness, one's capacity for learning, one's capacity for emotional knowledge, one's capacity for planning, one's capacity for creativity, and one's capacity for problem solving. So everything, all these things are combined, we can say it as an intelligence. Now, what is artificial intelligence? We are giving this intelligence to the system, machine, that we can call it as an artificial intelligence. So how we are going to give an intelligence to the system? With the help of software. Once you fit everything with the help of software, your system will react like a human. That is what artificial intelligence. Here there is two possibilities will be there. Once, if the system is, if you are giving some software, if either the system has to behave like a 100% human, like a 50% to 70%. So these are all the two possibilities are there. So what makes humans intelligence? When you're talking about if you are an intelligent guy, your reasoning skill will be there, your learning skill will be there, your perceptive skill will be there, your problem solving skill will be there, your linguistic intelligence will be there. What do I mean by linguistic intelligence? If you see others' face, how you can say that, yeah, you are not good today. Why? So that you can able to understand that particular thing. That is the meaning of linguistic intelligence. So all these things we can call it as an intelligence. So now how we are going to give an intelligence to the system with the help of computer program? That will be the challenging one for your artificial intelligence. So till now we just discussed about what is artificial intelligence. Then what are all the applications of artificial, what is intelligence, how we are going to give an intelligent system. Now, you people think that artificial intelligence, machine learning, or we can go, it will be something different that I will going to explain with some other slides. Artificial intelligence will be divided into two broad categories. One is machine learning, another one is deep learning. So machine learning will be the subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning will be the subset of artificial intelligence. The same thing, deep learning will be the subset of machine learning. So it will have the same concept of techniques, whatever we are working in the artificial intelligence. Here in this deep learning, we are having artificial neural network. This particular concept I will explain in the later slides. Same thing in machine learning. Here it is a subset of artificial intelligence. Here the main thing is to teach a computer that ability to do tasks without any explicit programming. Once you teach your system, the machine, these are the things you should do. The 100% your machine will do according to your data or task, whatever you have assigned. So these are all the things of artificial intelligence will be two. One is machine learning, another one is deep learning. So machine learning will be the subset of artificial intelligence and deep learning will be the subset of machine learning. So in this artificial intelligence in the bigger set, if you see here, artificial intelligence will be the superset and the machine learning and the deep learning will be the subset of the artificial intelligence. So when you're talking about this artificial intelligence, we have certain area of research, that is rule-based reasoning. In that area you can do the research. Machine learning or deep learning, both the things you can do the research. NLP, natural language processing, that is conversion of Tamil to English, the translation, the Tirkural and all, now you people know that they're converting into the language, that with the help of NLP. That is translation they are using. Then speech to text, text to speech, the conversion also happening in AI. The last one is robotics, that is autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars. So these are all the areas that artificial intelligence we can able to focus. Now let us understand the machine learning in details. Guys, machine learning, you will see some examples. Machine learning surrounds you in the sense, see here, these are all the things are there, but we are not aware of that. These are all comes under machine learning concept. For example, the first one you take Amazon. If you purchase some other product in Amazon, the product recommendation will come. Have you seen that? Anybody, if you purchased in Amazon? Anyone? Guys, anybody purchased anything in Amazon? Have you seen any recommendation down 4-star, 5-star, 3 stars and all? Have you seen that? Yes? Anybody purchased any product in Amazon? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Because I can't able to see the chat box. That's why. Okay. Yes. So have you, if you purchased a few product, the next day or some other day, if you see that whatever product you have purchased, that related products, it will be recommended for you. Have you seen that? Have you seen that? Product recommendation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how it will be working? Any idea of that? If you are purchasing 5 products, your friend is purchasing 3 products, in the sense, if 3 of the product are similar product, in the sense, the related other 2 products will be comes for you as a product recommendation. So that is the algorithm they have designed in the machine search engine component of machine learning. So in machine learning, one of the component will be there for search engine. So based on that only, that recommendation has to be displayed on whenever if you are purchasing the nearby products, everything it will be visible for your product recommendation. Then if you see that 4-star, 3 stars and all, how many products, nearly how many products they have taken and what are all the things, feedbacks they have given, based on that recommendation will come. These are all one examples for machine learning. The next, everybody knows that Amazon Alexa. So this main thing it is used to Alexa, switch on the light, Alexa, book a cab for me, Alexa, book a pizza for me, Alexa, put a music for me. Everything, whatever you are saying, that the particular machine will do, perform the action. Yes or no? How? That is the main concept of speech recognition. So that main thing will be there in machine learning. So this is also one of the area in machine learning, speech recognition. The next one, movie recommendation. If you go for Netflix, so many genre movies are there. Action movie, thriller movie, horror movie, all the movies. If you see that, if you open your thing on horror movie, the down if you'll see that movie recommendation, whatever if you are giving horror movie, the related all the horror movie recommendations will be there. So this is also one thing around machine learning. The next important applications of machine learning will be Google traffic prediction. So nowadays, if you want to travel from one place to another place, for example, when you are traveling from morning college, from your place to college, see if you open that and you see that whether is there any traffic in that particular thing. If there is any traffic, then you can see that you can take diversion, you can. So that is also one possible thing for traffic prediction. That also by using the machine learning technique. So everything right now we have seen that what are all the areas we are using machine learning. Now, what is the definition really behind that machine learning? See here, a machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Yes. which gives a machine the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Data, not algorithm, is the key to machine learning success. Here, we are giving the ability to learn without any, in a sense, we are giving a teacher, we are having some training data set. So in the training, the data set will be your teacher. So that teacher will train your data. So once the data has been trained, you are going to make one model. That model already, it's a trained model. So that particular thing, whenever you are giving any new data, it will, the accuracy will verify with that particular machine whether is it right or not. If it is wrong, then again it will do, or else again it will come back and again it will, deployment has been taken place. That is the main thing of machine learning. So how does a machine learn? This is the main thing, guys. You should know that. See, this is like you are having a training data set. So based on the training data set, you are going to create a model, right? Based on the training data set. Already I am having 100 students. All the 100 students I have taught up, for example, day after tomorrow, you are having placement training. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to train based on few aptitude point of view questions. I'm going to train you. So all 100 people you are trained. So they are 2 days back. After 2 days, you are going for placement. If any questions related to that particular whatever I thought, if it comes, then you can able to predict that particular model. If you are writing the test, if you're cleared in the sense whatever I thought and the new data set will be, it will be matching and the accuracy, it will go for deployment. If any new data set comes, whatever the training, it doesn't match, the accuracy will not come in the sense. Again, what you should do, you same set of data and you have to send for again prediction model. If the prediction model, the accuracy level is reached, then you are going to deployment that particular model. That is the thing for machine learning. So here, that is what, how does machine learning work? The next one, machine learning types. So the machine learning, basically it will be divided into 3 types. One is supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. What do you mean by supervised learning? See, in supervised learning, you have considered that the learning is guided by a teacher. The learning is guided by a teacher. So here the data set is act as a teacher and you have to train the model or a machine. Once the model get trained, then you can able to predict or you can able to decide that this is a particular thing. See the diagram. When teacher teach, this is an apple. So those are all training data. See the apple, the structure of apple, how the apple color. If for example, the apple may be in green color also, the apple may be in red color. So all the training data has been fit to the machine. The machine, everything, the training data, the machine has been noted. Once everything is done, then you will give the image of that apple. Then the system, they have to see that already the trained data, they have given that input. So already they have given. So what is this? This is an apple. If they say that it is an apple for 97%, then that particular things will be a right one. This is a thing for supervised learning. The main example for supervised learning is spam classifier. Guys, you know that every day in our email, lot of spam mails are there. Yes or no? You are getting spam mail, students? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You know that when I am sending a mail, why it is not come to your inbox, it is going to spam mail. What is the reason behind that? I am sending mail, but in your inbox, that mail will not be there. It will go to spam classifier. How it is happening? Any idea? So here how it is happening in the sense you are having some filtering technique inside that. So in that filtering technique, they will use the text categorization method. If any fancy words or any, for example, wow, your appraisal has been selected. Wow, congratulations, you got 10,000 rupees. So these are all the keywords if you have taken from that particular text and it will filter with the help of machine learning technique. So these keywords, they have been segregated with the help of filtering technique in machine learning. So this will be one of the greatest advantage in machine learning technique, spam classifier, because or else in your data, 0.8% everyday spam mails will be there. So the storage data, you just imagine that unwanted mail, how much we are receiving every day. So to overcome that storage data area of that particular thing, we are using here machine learning for spam classifier. The next one we will go for supervised, unsupervised learning. Supervised, simple thing I will tell you, it's like a college education. When you go to college, I'm talking about supervised. When you go to college, your teacher will guide you, you will learn that and you will write that. That comes under supervised learning. Because once if you know that which one is good, which one is bad, then you can able to segregate everything. Yes or no? That comes under supervised learning. The second category will be unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning in the sense you can learn the model through observation. Through observation, you can learn the model and find the structure of the data. Here it's like a correspondence education. Just I will give you one small example. How in the sense, see the model, you are having one data set. In the data set, it will predict that based on your observation, it will make one structure. See the diagram down, images, apple, banana, orange, so many things are there. Yes or no? The machine will think that what is that? So everything will be a fruit, but is it similar? No. Then how we will do that? What are all the similar things are there? It will group. Please understand unsupervised learning in the sense it doesn't know that this is apple, this is orange, this is banana. No, it doesn't know that because nobody will teach that. It will be learned by observation. So if they learn by observation and they will make one structure of that, it will go into clustering in the sense grouping of similar data. So what it will do? It will cluster the data for these are all the similar things, it will be group 1. These are all the similar things, it will be group 2. These are all things, it will be group 3. So it will group according to the image of 3 categories. So 3 clusters it will go. But 100% the machine doesn't know that this is apple, this is banana, this is orange. No, just it will group the data of the similar categories. Can anyone give an example for this in real time where we are using this unsupervised learning? Netflix movie recommendation. That is what I said. If you're seeing that, so if you open that Netflix, so many journals will be there. So all the things, how it will be in the sense, it will not know that this is 100% it will come in this category. No. So what are all the movie related to the character, it will segregate as these are all horror movie, these are all comedy movie, these are all action movie. It will segregate, it will group according to this. This is an example for unsupervised learning. Next, we will go for reinforcement learning. What do you mean by reinforcement learning? It is the ability of the agent to interact with the environment and find out the best outcome. It means you are having a car. So when you are driving the road, if there is any obstacles is there in the straight, if you are turning left side, there is no obstacles. But you doesn't know that first time what you will do, you will go and hit. If hit in the sense, you will have the penalty. Penalty in the sense, your mark will not be awarded. So after that, what you will do, what you will see, yeah, whatever action you have taken, that will be wrong. So I want to take left. Then if you are taking left and you are going further, then you will be rewarded. So it will be a hit and trial method. It will be a hit and trial method. It means that whatever they are telling, whomever they are telling, no, I will do by myself and I will learn and I will come by myself. That is the example for reinforcement learning. So these are all, then self-driving car. This is one example of reinforcement learning. So these are all the examples we have seen for supervised learning, unsupervised learning and machine learning. Now, these are all the websites, guys, you can go and refer here. 100% I am telling you that you will get few ideas about how to do the project in machine learning. 100% you can able to aware of that. Now, I am asking only one thing from you. Guys, in your chat box, I have sent you one link. Everybody please kindly open and answer that. Guys, everybody open and answer that. I have sent you one link. Please open that link. Please open that link and see that. And people are seeing the chat. Spam mail classifier examples I have asked. 9 students have answered in that. Spam mail classifier is an example of supervised learning, unsupervised learning, or reinforcement learning. What is that answer? Are you people are seeing that? Yes, majority of the students answered right. Majority of the students, they have answered that. Now, can you able to see the thing whenever you are giving answer, the count is changing. Have you seen that, guys? Are you people are seeing? Yes? Yes? Yes. So how many of them answered correctly? The answer will be supervised learning. Yes or no, guys? Supervised learning will be the right answer. So congratulations those who have answered supervised learning. That will be the right answer. Yes? Okay, fine. Spam classifier will be the example of supervised classifier, supervised learning. It's a good. Most of the students, they have answered. Very good. Now you understand the concept clearly. The next one, what are the limitations of machine learning? Guys, if anything will be there, advantage 100%, there might be some drawbacks or some limitations will be there. Yes or no? So in this limitations of machine learning, here, it requires massive amount of training data. Massive amount of training data in the sense, see, you have to train that model. If you want to train that particular model in the sense, you have huge amount of data. You can't say that only small amount of data. Then the accuracy you will not receive. So you should have massive amount of data. So when you're having massive amount of data, training data in the sense, there might be some limitations are there in that. The next one, if you train that particular data, if the accuracy is not come in the sense, it will be very difficult to find the error. So error diagnosis and corrections can be difficult in that particular thing. So lack of creativity, yes. Whatever you are feeding in that particular machine, that particular activity only it will do. Whatever the model you have trained, that particular task only that particular model will do. So here if you are assigning any one new thing, 100% it will not have the creativity. That is one limitation. The last one, time overnight job to feed the data for the machine. No, it will take some time to sit and feed the system. That will be one difficulties in this machine learning. So now you know that what are all machine learnings, everything. Yes or no? Now we will see about deep learning. This is the last category of today's class, deep learning. What do you mean by deep learning? It is a part of machine learning methods based on learning data representation. Based on learning data representation. What is the drawback in machine learning in the sense? In machine learning, the feature extraction will be manual. Feature extraction will be manual. But here, the feature extraction will be automatic. For example, in that, if you create one model, that particular model will do only one task. In machine learning, if you are creating one training based on that one model, it will do only one particular task, whatever you have designed. But in deep learning, it will not. It will do parallelly any number of particular, based on that model, it will take any number of opportunities to do that particular task. That is the thing of learning data representation. How we are achieving this learning data representation with the help of deep neural network. With the help of deep neural network. See the picture down. I have given one picture. So in that picture, if you are giving as an input to that, my images features in this particular phase, everything it will be considered. So whatever, if any time it will be asking, the output will be whatever, if it is related, the same image will be as an output you will receive. But in machine learning, it will not. It will have only one particular thing, that only it will come. But the deep learning, in a sense, it will be go deeply. All the features it will extract with the help of deep neural network. I will give you some example of that. Already you know that speech recognition, that mainly because of this deep learning, because someone is sleeping and if you are telling, Alexa, do something, if you are wake up and you are telling in jolly mood, Alexa, do something, the modulation of the voice will be changing. You only speaking, but the modulation, how your mood being based on that only you are doing, yes or no? So that comes under this particular deep learning, because all the voices, everything it will capture, and whenever you are talking, you are based on your mood swing, the application of speech recognition will consider. The next one, self-driving car. This is also based on one of the deep learning. The next one, automatic machine translation. If you are giving some other word, you want to translate in Tamil, English, Kannada, whatever language, if you click that, that particular language has been translated. This is also with the help of deep learning. So not only text you can make visual translation also, it will be possible in deep learning. So guys, I think these are all the areas where the deep learning will be using. Now I will show you one small video of artificial intelligence, how it will be using. See.
The world of AI is so incredibly large, let's take a look at some of the most groundbreaking developments we expect to see in the very future, and whether that's a step forward or backward for society. First and foremost, AI systems are already primed to take over thousands, if not millions of jobs. Any job that consists of a human and inputting it into a system is likely to go obsolete. So cashiers, receptionists, telemarketers, and bank tellers are all on their way out. As self-driving cars, self-operating drones, and other conveyors from A to B get more complex, we'll also lose jobs like truck drivers, postal workers, courier services, even pizza delivery. Factories are also becoming fully automated, so are car washes and movie theaters. Even my job as a journalist is threatened by rapidly improving news algorithms that can gather information and deliver it faster and more accurately. But as society changes to accommodate an all-machine service world, it'll also open up writing software, repairing and maintaining robots, and
Guest lecture on Introduction to Artificial Intelligence will be relevant and knowledge to all. For enjoying has been again in future too. I wish to express gratitude to our management and respected principal sir and beloved vice principal sir and academic coordinator for giving us opportunity to this lecture. And also I appreciate and thank our students and faculties various departments for your audience active participation. With this one and your kind message, we move to the end of this lecture. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all for making this event as a great success.
Guys, you are telling that the link is not opening, right? I will share you another one more link. You just try that. We will see. This link is everybody. Last 1 minute, please. The students, they are asking, please 1 minute. I will share one more thing. You just check this particular link is working or not. Guys, I will share you the link. You just open this link and check whether that particular link is working or not. I have shared you the link. Please kindly once again you just check that particular link is working. Yes, it's working. But particular link is working. A full form, word, artificial intelligence. Yes. So that my link is working, right? Yes. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
Sir, students
Must students kindly fill your feedback form? Must students don't forget to fill your feedback form before going out.